let's talk about Polygon, guys. But before I get to the video, guys, I'm gonna talk about some YouTube stuff. I'm trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. So, guys, please help me get me to my goal. Get this channel to 2,000 subscribers. So, subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video. And now let's begin, guys. Polygon with a ticker of MATIC, currently trading at $1.31. Ranked number 17 on the list, guys, with a market cap of $9.8 billion. So, guys, what is Polygon before trading, getting in part of this? So, Polygon, previous Matic network, is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Polygon SDK, a modular, flexible, and framework that supports building multiple types of applications. So, guys, but if you want to find out where you guys can trade, get on shorting, all that stuff you want to do with this cryptocurrency, you got to know the exchanges. They're on Binance, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io, Kraken, FTX US, Bybit. So pretty much anything that's in the top 100 cryptos, like the ranked, it is going to be on almost every single platform. It's going to have a lot of liquidity to get in and out. But if you guys are on a different one than these top ones, let me know. It tells your experience on what platform you're on that you're trading Polygon. But let's get to that price rating, guys. So price rating, guys, they do really, really good. So Polygon is currently at a B when it comes to symmetry as of June 18, 2021, and a triple B by Developing Outlook. That's in the top 95% of cryptocurrencies. Now, look at the amount of cryptocurrencies, guys, out there. There's 17,701 cryptocurrencies. It is ranked higher than most. Not all cryptocurrencies are ranked, but it is still in the top. So, guys, understand that and see how you guys can add that to your guys' own research pool. So when you guys are looking at cryptocurrencies, you can add this to your book, like your toolbox. You can pull out, say, hey, it has a price rating, it has this and this. It's not going to be rug pulled so easily, but it's not influenced by a bunch of influencers, by celebrities and stuff. That's something I try to avoid. But also, let's get to the news stuff for the coin market cap. So this is this talks about signs to identify a possible 33% rally. So if you're looking at price prediction done by CoinMarketCap, please check it out. It's posted 7 hours ago. Also, if you're looking at stuff that posted a couple days ago, just tweet CoinMarketCap. I'll have it linked below. But let's check out their website, guys. So bringing the world to Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is a highly used cryptocurrency. It's on a lot of platforms. A lot of platforms use the Ethereum blockchain. Over 7,000 dApps have used the Polygon to scale their performance. So this is a widely used cryptocurrency, guys. You want to learn more about it, read the white paper, please check it out. But let's head now to their Twitter page, guys. They have 1.2 million followers, so a huge following base. So you'll learn more about news that's coming out. They have a post for February 19th. Also, guys, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, as Andre McClendon, I talk a lot of political stuff and also trading and economy stuff. So not so much politics I talk on my YouTube channel, but I do on Twitter. So please follow me there, guys. So let's get to that price prediction, okay? Now, this price prediction, guys, is going to be relatively easy because it's been making a lot of crypto's been heading in the same direction, and I believe that that this one's going to be making the same thing. But let's check it out, guys. Easily set our trend line in, and we have a major zone, our support zone right here. I'm going to zoom into the daily, check it out. That was weekly, guys. So if you look at it, guys, we looked at this as multiple attempts to break this zone, but it failed. Failed again, heading down, broke this little support zone right here, heading down lower. So for me, guys, I believe that it's going to be hitting this zone first, which is the $1.01. But I'm going to sum it up to $1.05. So my price prediction is $1.05, and I'm going to see how it's going to be played out. So I think that it will be played out in this form. This is a strong support zone. You can see right here the amount of days it's been holding it. I think a lot of people are seeing the same thing. So people who are shorting are probably shorting to this price point, but people who are going long are looking at buying. Now, if you buy, if it's been bought right here, there's a possibility that it might do a little whip, like a shadow down here, a little bit lower, but then pop its head up higher. So price prediction is still $1.05, and it hit this line here. I don't know how many days it'll do that, but I think it's going to hit this line here. So if it does do that, then I need to see if it clears this high. Now, if it clears this high, then we can see that it's going to bounce to go to higher highs. But if it doesn't, it might bounce, hit down lower, do a little wick, head back higher, hit this wall, basically, trend line, and head down back lower. That's a possibility. So for me, I like to mitigate risk as much as I possibly can. So what I will do is this. First thing off, my price prediction on $1.05 will be my first price alert, $1.05. Then I'll put another price alert at this price point here at $1.40 just about. So $1.40. So if it bounces, hit that on, and then hits down lower, does a little wick, come back up, and does an order, hits that trend line. I want to see if it breaks that trend line to head up to higher, and then I can do a market entry or a buy stop to get it back into that trade, or it hits down lower. I just want to protect myself because this gain is not worth it, the risk of taking a loss on a trade, because I want to get it in when the money kicks in and not right down here, because that's where the money is probably going to enter after it takes people's and knocks them out their stop loss or hits their stop loss, then shakes back up to get people in a shake. Basically, it's like a shakeout trade. So because a lot of people's probably buy limits are right here, and that's a way for them to take out people's easy trades. But that's my price prediction, guys. My price prediction is $1.05, and if it breaks that and hits up higher, then it might hit this trend line. But that's the video, guys. For that, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think. But let's check out my website. So I updated the website. I added a lot of things for the countries. I'm still updating United States. So updating a whole bunch of things on there. So please check it out if you want statistical data about economy and about what's happening in the world. Please check that out. Also, if you guys are looking for just starting my program on my website, please check it out, the website. There's a lot of good, useful information on there. I'm trying to add as much value as I possibly can. Also, if you're looking for indicators, you're looking for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 indicators, MT4, MT5 basically, please check it out, or these three websites below. I just checked out some ones that I like. And also, guys, if you want a custom indicator or EA or trading robot, let me know, guys. I do create them. We can talk about how the costs are going to be and how I can implement it on your platform. But that's the video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys.